Hello guys, this is Marian from Maryland Dragonfruit Gardens, and I'm just recording a quick video today because I want to unbox something. Okay, this is one tool I have in the farm. It just arrived today with this courier. These are, don't advertise them, but yeah, let's go ahead and open this together. Okay, this will help me vlog while in the farm and for me to avoid getting low bat. So I think you know what this is, right? So this is the box. It was wrapped properly. So this is an electronic device. Yep. Let me go ahead and open it. I haven't opened it yet because I want to unbox it with you. I got it online and it just came today. Just arrived today. Alright. Okay. So it was wrapped with bubble wrap. Okay, so there you go. This is Romoss L20 and I hope this is black. I ordered the black one and they got a seal. What do you call that? That rainbow something. I don't know. But yes, this is how it looks. It's wrapped in plastic again. Oh yeah. Let me see. The big scissor. Okay. This is gonna be a helpful device, especially when you're running out of battery. Okay, let me see. Let me just open it. Did I destroy it? Okay. Oh. Destroy the box. Oh, okay. Oh, sorry. There we go. Okay. Yay, it's black. There's a plastic. Remove the plastic. Oh, that's beautiful. This is Romoss. There we go. And it got, wow, so many type of charger. I mean, so many type of, how do you call that, outlets. Wow, this will work with iPhone, I think. Okay. Okay. I don't know how it works. Let me see. Let me see if it's gonna work. Let me get my oh, there's something in it. Let me see. Oh, Oh, there's a jack. There's a cable. Okay, the cable is for Android devices. It's USB type. Let's try to see if it's gonna work. Let's do this with the first outlet. Let me just get the other phone.
A few moments later.
Okay, so I get another phone. And let me charge this. I don't know. Oh, there we go. You see that? It says at 87%. Yeah. Let me see if my phone is charging. Okay. It's charging. Look at the charging icon. See? It is charging. And this is 87%. It has a LED indicator. Let me get a friend in here who wanted to climb up the table. No, you go down. Just go down. Okay. Okay. So that's it. Let me see if it's working fine with its free cable. There you go. And it has this one, L20. Yeah, there's a guide in here, but I'm not really reading it. It has lightning. Let me see. Now I'm reading. It has micro USB port, lightning port. Awesome. USB port 2. Oh, that's 1, 2, 3, 3 USB port. One micro USB port, and the other two are the regular USB port. So see what I meant. This one, this is the regular port, USB port 1, 2. This, I guess that's the lightning. This is the micro SD. Yeah, now I'm confused. We got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ports. So that's awesome. So pretty much this is very useful. It got 20,000 mAh. Yes. Awesome. Let me update you guys how it works. But so far, I paid 441 pesos, Philippine peso, for this one. That includes shipping. Yeah. Okay. Alrighty. So that's it for now. That's it. Alright. Oh, now it was charging for a minute and it says 86%. Okay. Alright guys. Ooh. Pressing something. Okay. So that's it for this unboxing. And I hope you like this. If you like this video, just hit like and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I'll be uploading more unboxing videos and farm videos. Okay, you have a good one. Bye bye.